Love cats. You've gotten so big. Who are you? Do you remember Mama? Oh, he's scared. Hey, do you remember me? What is it, Bubs? Huh? Do you remember Mama? Are you gonna purr for me? He showed you the sunshine.
Mm-hmm.
Love cat. Have you been traumatized? There's Mr. Corey.
Remember me?
Let's turn the light on, Love cat. Mama's never gonna leave you again. You're gonna come to Macomb and visit Grandmama. He is not happy. He doesn't know me.
He doesn't.
He doesn't know who I am.
Nope.
Henry! My cat forgot me.
Tell the camera. Tell the world.
I left my cat for a month and a half and he forgot me.
For 180 days and he no longer remembers who she is.
Somebody went to park.
Adios.